Hi, I'm Brad with Family Handyman. Gutters and downspouts can be a real headache, but I'm going to show you how to keep them clean and working properly. Nobody likes cleaning gutters, but fortunately there's a way to virtually eliminate the problem. Here's a couple options I like. First, this foam piece slips right into the gutter, locks in place, keeps all the leaves out. Second, there are these screen filter types. Now those just slip over the top of the gutter and clip onto the lip. What's nice about these is the water will flow through, but leaves and other debris won't go in the gutter. So both of those are some pretty easy options, and they'll virtually eliminate the chore of cleaning your gutters every year. Now let's talk about fixing problem gutters. First, sagging. After a few years, sometimes a gutter will develop a sag in it, so it won't work properly. You can get these little clips that just go right on the gutter and hook under the lip, and then you run this screw into your fascia. Otherwise, there's this simple option. It's just a little ferrule that slips inside the gutter, and then you run the screw through the outside of the gutter through the ferrule, and that'll pull everything back up into place. If your gutter has a sag in it and the water is collecting instead of draining, instead of trying to strap up the whole gutter and putting more holes through your shingles, you can simply add a downspout outlet and downspout at the low spot. Then you're good to go. So say you've got an inside corner with a valley running down to the gutter. Now the water is going to run fast and it's going to start splashing over the gutter. So just screw on a little splash guard. Simple, easy fix. So typically the tail end of a downspout is going to terminate out in your yard somewhere, and so it's going to be in the way when you're mowing the lawn. And now you can take it off, but then sometimes you forget to put it back on. So easy solution. You can put on these hinges and it just folds right up out of the way. So say you have a tree branch fall on your gutter. You don't need to replace the entire run. You can just cut out the damaged section and use one of these slip joint couplers to splice in a new piece of gutter, and make sure you use some seam sealer to keep everything watertight. Now, if you just have a leaky spot, you can use this gutter seal tape. It just peels off and it's self-adhesive, and you just stick it over the hole. So hopefully those will take care of most of your problems. But if you've got other gutter issues, don't forget, we've got you covered. Visit us at familyhandyman.com.